This is Samsung soundbar S50B soundbar. This soundbar got center speakers. What we want to do is we want to unbox this soundbar. This soundbar is with DTS surround system. What we want to do is check it out. But before we do that, just want to tell you a bit of information about this soundbar. This soundbar is a lifestyle series soundbar from Samsung. It's AI optimized. The sound beautiful as it looks. You can connect this with your phone, TV, simply and wirelessly via Bluetooth and multi-connection. Can connect it to your TV via optical cable and HDMI. Work with Samsung Q Symphony, which work with compatible Samsung TV and loud TV and soundbar to work in harmony for truly immersive surround sound experience. This soundbar is compatible with Samsung subwoofer and wireless rear speaker kit as well. This soundbar, the total power is 140 watts. 3D sound technology projects sound over and around you, making for more immersive experience. Dolby sound technology, built-in active amplifier. So now let's check this stuff out. Nice packaging. This is what it looks like. Nice. Wow, this is it's quite heavy. Look at that. And see what it looks like. Beautiful, very nice and sleek. Very compact. See what it looks like. And this got center speakers, 3 channels, and inside here is the packaging, remote control, power cables, and the wall mount. AAA battery. This information pack. So this is wall mount. To mount it. This is nice soundbar. So this is the remote control. So we're going to set this up. So the batteries goes, the negative goes to the negative end of it. Okay. So the way this power cable goes into this one for you to be able to set this up. So push it inside. this one goes into the soundbar. Okay, now this soundbar from the back here, you see the optical cable goes into digital audio, okay, and the HDMI ARC goes in here. Now this is DC, in the power cable goes in here, and also you got USB, okay, USB port for here as well. Okay, so push it inside this end. Plug it onto the socket. If you haven't got the remote control, you can also still control this soundbar from the top here. You can switch it on and off. This button here is for you to reduce the volume. This button here is for you to increase the volume, the one that got plus. Now this one is the input for you to select from Bluetooth to optical cable or HDMI ARC. This soundbar is nice and decent. Just gonna measure this from this end to here is 68 centimeter, and the width is 11 centimeter or 10.5 centimeter. 10.5 centimeter. Okay. So this is the overview of this soundbar. It's not heavy, it's nice. This one also got like a plastic cover in front of it. Let's see what it looks like. It's decent, nice. See what it looks like. So this is the unboxing and overview. And to set this up, okay, we just need to switch it on, and you can see the light is on. Okay, so when you switch it on, then what you need to do is you need to use your mobile device to search for available Bluetooth. But this soundbar now is on Bluetooth. You can see Bluetooth. So by selecting the input, then you select Bluetooth. Okay, now it's looking for available Bluetooth, and this is the
ready to connect via Bluetooth.
So once you select the input to Bluetooth, then you select pair, set Bluetooth pair. It will tell you it's ready to connect via Bluetooth. Okay, so now, okay, I'm going to connect this using my mobile device. So go to Epidemic Sound. So go to your Bluetooth first of all on your mobile phone, and go to Connection and Devices. Okay, go to Connection and Devices and select Bluetooth. Switch the Bluetooth on. So connection, switch the Bluetooth on. Once you switch the Bluetooth on, you wait and select the Bluetooth, and then scroll down and look for this device. This device is Samsung soundbar. Here we go, Samsung soundbar S50B series. Select on it. It's pairing. Bluetooth pairing request. Select pair, and is connected. Okay, so this soundbar now is connected. We need to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. So we'll go to Epidemic Sound.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people. Just
is music.
Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know.
So this is the audio for this soundbar. Thank you very much.